What's up, guys? A very good morning from Uganda, East Africa, Africa. We are coming live still from Uganda, the villages of Uganda, and behind me from the background, I know you can see that the road is very busy. It's a rough road, yes, but it's very busy, and from afar you can see people, a lot of people on the background. So how are you all doing? It's a chilly morning in Uganda and we are out. I think it's some few minutes to 11 in the morning, but we want to do something that is interesting. So behind me, guys, is a village market, and as you know, I'm a village girl, and I associate so well with village things or the village stuff. So this particular day, I'm with Frida as usual, and we are about to explore a village market in Uganda. We want to see the similarities, we want to see the differences of the village markets in Uganda compared to those of Kenya. So that's why she has brought me along to one of the village markets right here. People are looking at me. Maybe you can just show them around. There are some people standing here. They're wondering what's happening, you see. But then we're doing our thing, you see. This is something new, I know. This is not something that people get to see on a daily basis. It's something new, so it has to attract attention. But then she's behind the camera, and let me introduce her before we get into the market. We want to go buy some few things, not very sure what we're going to buy, or maybe you can just go do a tour and leave. That is it. So before I talk so much, you know I'm so talkative, let me introduce her.
Hello guys, it's Frida here again, and okay,
yeah.
Hello guys, it's Frida here again. I'm Nduri Frida, the African girl, and I'm again here in Nancy's channel. So today I've brought Nancy to this village market, and I want her to experience our village market, how our village markets are, and then she probably compares it to those of Kenya. And the market I've brought her to is not an ordinary market. I think this is one of the biggest markets in West Nile, where people from town come to buy things from here, then they go to sell. And then also people from DRC, they also come, they buy things and they also come to sell. So this is a border district market, and we are going to go in and shop a few things. But meanwhile, head over to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I know with your support it's possible. So let's head over there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching and you've not subscribed to Nancy's channel, do not forget to subscribe to Nancy's channel, okay? See you in the market.
Yes. And guys, yes, she has just said that we are at the border of Uganda and Congo, and she has just told me it's a walking distance. How long can it take?
If you're on foot, maybe you'll go beyond 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, but on our border it's less.
Like
On
how?
our border, oh,
yes.
in our car it's less than.
Less than maybe 10, 20?
Yeah, 10, around 10.
Okay.
It's so close.
So guys, we are at the border of Uganda and Congo. I'm so interested in visiting Congo. One of these fine days will be like, we are coming live from Congo.
I think before you go back, we need to find time and I take you up to the
yeah, we cross over to Congo. In the meantime, let's head to the market and do some tour, do some shopping with you guys. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, so in this section, basically there are a lot of bananas and avocados that they sell. We'll maybe ask a few. You've told me this is the district that produces a lot of bananas. Yes, so that's why they're so huge, guys. So let's walk around and see. Where are you going to ask from? These ones are they are not ripe. These ones are not ripe, guys.
Okay, they're telling me.
Yes.
These ones they've bought.
So they've bought these ones.
Yeah, they bought. They're going to sell. So if I want, they have told me where I can get.
Okay.
So we have to go there and buy.
Oh, fine. It's okay, guys. You see this here. Someone is calling me. Let me just. Where should we go? This way? So Frida leads because she knows this market better than I do. But we have a lot of bananas here. Basically, I think this is the banana section. Yes, you can see lots and lots of bananas.
Entrance to the market.
Oh, so this is the actually these people are selling outside the market.
Yeah, these are out.
So we now get into the entrance. Wow.
Inside is small.
I didn't know this market is this big. From the outside, it never looked this big. But actually, it's very, very big. Wow. With a lot of people. Wow. Yes, I've seen a man right over there. This is the beans section. Yeah. This is dried cassava, right?
They're going to grind it when we get the powder.
It looks like wood. The dried cassava looks like wood.
Section of
Fish. Wow. For the fish lovers. Gate to the other side. Maybe there's some path here. This is the food section now. If you're hungry, you get some food and you continue moving.
Auntie, you got my photo, but my photo.
I guess the lady is asking me if I'm taking a photo of her.
yeah.
So these are the avocados.
We have to look for a very good
A ripe one.
quality. No, these are raw.
These are raw.
Yeah.
But I saw people having ripe ones. Where did they get them from?
The ripe ones are there, but these ones are raw. If they buy only the raw, then they can keep them in your house.
You go ripen. And this fruit is very common in Uganda. What's the English name? Jackfruit. You know, in Kenya we don't have it completely. Yes.
You've never tasted?
I've never. I've never.
There's plenty of sugar.
Yeah. Charcoal.
Gawangoni, tutoy. Warai ni dia. Ada kar kawan yang kiri yellow.
Five. Two, three, 5 for 500.
Yeah.
So it's 100 each. Not bad. It means there are a lot of avocados here.
Yeah, now we don't have camera. So I'll be on the floor.
But you can ask. This is the sugarcane area. Which one?
1,500.
You want to buy the whole of this? This is very big. Okay. Where should we follow this route? We can get another route to get in. Yeah, it's okay. Let's see. Okay. Yes. Ah. For real? Wow. So this is the charcoal area.
How are you grinding machine?
Okay. So guys, let me show you something. This is the grinding machine in Uganda. There are so many in a line. Those chairs are nice. Oh, yeah. The sweet potato area. So this is the vegetable section. Okay. Which one do you want?
We're going to even buy by the way. What are we going to buy?
Which is your favorite vegetable?
Things if they look like so don't touch it.
No, that one you don't want me to eat. You don't want me to eat. This is how do you call it in your language? This one here. We have it in Kenya as well. But the leaves are different. What are you looking for? Yeah,
It's the one?
it's the one.
We buy?
You can buy, go cook it.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yours is this? We call it as what?
It's a vegetable. Seeing for the first time in Uganda. Guys, it looks like sodomepo. It's okay. Sorry. Is this ice cream? Yeah. Okay. It's very bitter.
Haya mamodeo.
Wait, this is a vegetable. Yes. This one. Yes. There's a certain weed. I'll let you know how it. I wish I can find it. It's also a vegetable. There is a weed. It's a vegetable. Goodness. It tastes. Another version is over there.
This one is very common, you know it.
Yeah, this is cowpeas. I know it. I also know that is mchicha. That one is mchicha over there. I know this as well. I know. Guys, they're asking me to film whatever they're selling. Just pass. Just pass. Yes. Which one? Sorry. Okay. This one.
The 1,000. Let me buy for.
Where? There. I think that place will be nice.